Are you in the cloud, Mike?
You don't have a cloud because you don't have an iPhone.
I have SkyDrive.
Oh, but that's not the cloud.
Oh, so are you? That's the same thing.
It's the same thing. What do you think it is? It's a server.
I know, and
in
somebody.
some building.
I know.
Somewhere in
But-
California.
I know.
Just
I
say
know.
you're on the
I'm
cloud.
on the cloud.
She's in the cloud.
I'm very
telling you.
cloudy. I am.
Okay.
Put her on the
V,
cloud.
V, she's in the cloud. We got it.
Which one?
We got it.
Now, what did you?
No, show Mike first.
No,
Show Mike first.
Look at the magazine.
Oh,
Self.
Share.
Self?
And
Now
now
you
you
He's
go to
in
computer.
some office waiting.
You
Yeah.
should.
that
You
the
have to be
one?
part of the iCloud.
Yes.
No, listen.
Sharing to be able to do that.
You have to be on the
Don't you have to
iCloud.
pay for that after a while?
The iCloud?
You
No.
get a certain amount of free
Storage,
space.
right? And then if you go beyond that,
Oh,
then
let
you
me see
can
if I
pay.
can show
No,
you.
they'll say your cloud is full.
Right.
And it's gonna rain anything.
Cloud's gonna burn.
It's gonna get your umbrella. Get your umbrella.
So, see, you're the entertainment tonight, V. Tell her about the cloud.